Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find an ATM or a bank on the Money Lover application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the account button down below, which is the last option. Tap on Tools, click on ATM Finder, and then you should enter the name of your bank or the ATM that you want to find, and then you will be directed to Google Maps where you can check out the possible options. Here are all of the results nearby, so click on the relevant one that you are interested in and you can plan your way there. If you go back to the application, you can also find your bank. So type in the name of it, click on the search button, and you will be directed to the same site, the Google Maps. And here on the map, you're going to see all of the results indicated with this red button. So you have the chance to find an ATM and a bank nearby by the help of the Money Lover application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.